crisp on the outside, airy and chewy on the inside, these flourless cookies can be made in a snap. Start by placing parchment on an 11 by 17 jelly roll pan. You can, if you choose, spritz the pan with baking spray to keep the paper in place. Then preheat your oven to 275 degrees. There are only 6 simple ingredients. The first thing you'll need to do is melt your chocolate. Now you can melt chocolate over the stove in a double boiler, but I like to use the microwave for melting chocolate because it doesn't burn or stick to a pot, and it doesn't get as hot as it does over the stove, meaning you don't have to sit and wait for it to cool before you can add it to your other ingredients. In my microwave, it takes about 3 to 5 minutes at 3 power. Then take your eggs and separate the white from the yolk. You can reserve the yolks in the fridge for another use. In a large mixing bowl, whisk the whites with the whisk attachment until foamy. Add the cream of tartar and beat until soft peaks form. Then add the sugar gradually and beat until stiff but not dry. Fold in the vanilla and nuts, along with the chocolate, into the egg white mixture. And then drop onto the parchment 12 cookies per pan and bake about 23 to 25 minutes. Allow the cookies to cool before removing them from the pan. There are many more recipes to come, so don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.